Tired of managing contacts manually? It can be a hassle and time-consuming. What if a bot will handle your contacts? Meet Chatbot, your ultimate WhatsApp automation tool. Let's explore the exciting functionality step by step. Activate the bot. Simply locate the Active and Active button on the top left corner and toggle it to activate the bot, ready to unleash its magic in auto-reply wonders. Add auto-reply. Embark on your journey by clicking on Add Auto-reply, opening up a world of possibilities with customized responses. As it opens a new interface, triggering messages. Set keywords that spark the bot's brilliance. You can opt for exact matches or keywords found within received messages. The triggering message area refers to the incoming text that activates the bot's auto-reply. It consists of two fields, one for exact matching keywords and the other for contains keywords. You can input your keywords separated by enter or say, press enter after each keyword. In either field, in exact matching, the bot triggers only when the received text exactly matches the keyword. Alternatively, in contains matching, the bot activates when the received message contains the specified keyword. Craft your reply. Let your creativity shine as you craft your reply. Text or dive into a plethora of attachment options, including photos, documents, stickers, audio, contacts, and locations. You have the option to include captions, enable view once for photos and videos, and even send videos as a GIF. Moreover, you can send audio as recorded, replicating the live WhatsApp mic experience. We can also add simple text replies. Just simply type your desired message here. Tailor your settings, swipe and reply. Take interactions to new heights with the swipe and reply option, making responses more engaging by quoting the received message. Customize the bot's behavior to perfection. You can keep track of specific messages by leaving replies blank. Please take note that you can leave the reply message blank while retaining the matching/triggering keywords. This allows you to track once your auto-reply is configured. Click on Save to save the auto-reply settings. You have the flexibility to configure auto-replies for messages that don't match any triggering keywords. Moreover, there's an option called When No Message Matches, which, when enabled, allows you to set auto-replies for those messages that don't align with any listed triggering keywords. Unlock advanced features. Explore a treasure trove of settings. There are additional settings to explore. Send a reply gap after receiving a message. Respond to previously received but unread messages. Enable group replies for messages received from groups. Ignore case sensitivity for matching, ensuring capitalization won't affect triggering keywords. Create an interactive menu bot. Elevate your conversations with the touch of enchantment. Craft a menu-based bot where users are led to exciting options with auto-replies. It's like offering a virtual tour of choices. Press 1 for this, press 2 for that, and the possibilities are endless. And there you have it. You've learned how to utilize Chatbot's bot tab features effectively. Start using Chatbot today and save hours.